The question says oxidation number and electronic configuration of sulfur in sulfuric acid is. First of all, we have to calculate oxidation number of sulfur in the given compound, and then we have to write its electronic configuration. Let's do it one by one. We have H2SO4 is there. Okay, it is a neutral compound is equal to 0. Two hydrogen are there, and each hydrogen is what? Plus 1, because hydrogen attached to non-metal always shows plus 1 oxidation number. We have sulfur 4 oxygen, each oxygen is what? Minus 2 is there. We have plus 2, then sulfur 4 to the 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Sulfur minus 6 is equal to 0. Sulfur is present in plus 6 oxidation number in sulfuric acid. It is present in its highest oxidation number. Okay, that's why sulfuric acid H2SO4 always acts as a strong oxidizing agent. Okay, always remember, it always acts as a strong oxidizing agent. Okay, now pay attention carefully. We have to write electronic configuration. So for sulfur having plus 6 oxidation number. Okay, plus 6 charge is there. Plus 6 means it has lost how many electrons? 6 electrons are there. And if we talk about the atomic number of sulfur atomic number is what? 16 is there. And if I talk about S to power plus 6, then how many electrons it will be having? 10 electrons are there. For 10 electrons we have to write, because you can see 16 minus 6 is equal to what? 10. Okay, 10 electrons are there. Total number of electrons in sulfur 16, because that is the atomic number and it is in the neutral state. Since it is losing 6 electrons, then it will be left with 10 electrons. S plus 6 is having only 10 electrons, and then we have to write electronic configuration only for the 10 electron. We have S plus 6, it is having how many electrons? So only 10 electrons, right? Electronic configuration, we have 1s2, 2s2, and then we have 2p, 6 is there. Okay, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. You can see we are getting 10. Okay, this is the electronic configuration for sulfur having plus 6 oxidation number. Then option we get, that is option A is there. Okay, so always keep in mind, you should not write electronic configuration for this one. If you write electronic configuration for this one, pay attention very carefully. If I write S16 is there, we write 1s2, 2s2, and it is 2p6, and it is 3s2, and then it will be 3p4 is there. 3s2, 3p4. You can see 3s2, 3p4. That option is not given here to confuse the students. You can see this portion is there. 3s2, 3p2 is there. 3p2. Okay, 3s2, 3p2 is there. But 3s2, 3p4 is not given there. There is no problem. Okay, I was just checking. So you can see we have the first option correct.